How to uninstall app with the PowerPoint shell commands in Windows 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. So here we need to go in search bar and search for PowerShell. Okay, just open it. Okay, so this is your command window. Here we need to give the two command. I will show you one by one. So first command here for, so we need to find out our app list from window. Okay, so command is, okay, so command is get that dash apex package, that symbol vertical bar, then select name and package and full name, and now you need to hit the enter. Now you can see all your installed application from your window and your external application which you have installed. So now what you can do, we need to give the another command here, which is this one. Okay, so it is get minus apex package. Here we need to replace the app name and this should be as it is. So here you need to find out that app name. So if you want to remove that notepad plus, or maybe this one, just select that app and just right click on it. Now it is copy. Okay, you need to just select that like this and right click on it. Now select that app name and control V. Sorry. Okay, double click on it. Okay, here we have the cursor. So use your keyboard arrows and just delete that app name and replace with that app name. And now you need to hit the enter. You just need to hit the enter. Okay, so once you hit the enter, your application automatically removed from your window. You can recheck your application from in your app list. Okay, so that is the process. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.